In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed an iframe on your Squarespace website. This quick and easy guide will have you up and running in no time, so let's dive right in. First things first, we need to log into your Squarespace account. So head over to the Squarespace website and click on the login button. This is where you'll access your account and the website you want to work on. Once you've clicked login, you'll see an option to continue with Google if that's convenient for you. Simply click that button and select the Google account associated with your Squarespace site. If you don't use Google, just log in with your Squarespace credentials. Now that you're logged in, it's time to choose the website where you want to embed the iframe. Look through your list of websites and click on the one you wish to edit. If you only have one website, then that's your default option. With your website dashboard open, let's make our way to the edit section. You'll find this by navigating to the back end of your site. The edit function is crucial as it allows you to make changes and add new elements to your web pages. Once you're in the editing area, it's time to add a new block to your page. Locate the option to add a block and click on it. This is where we'll insert the iframe code, but first we need to specify the type of block we're going to add. In the list of options, you'll see a block labeled code. Click on code to bring up a blank code window. Now we've come to the part where we maximize our customization options. You'll see a small pencil icon associated with the code block you just added. Click on this pencil icon to open the code editor. This is where the magic happens. It's now time to paste your iframe code into the code editor. You should already have this code from your external source, whether it's a video, map, or any other content you want to display directly on your Squarespace page. Just copy the iframe code and paste it into the editor. Make sure you check the iframe code for any errors that might have occurred during copying to ensure everything runs smoothly once published. Finally, a note to remember, adding JavaScript and iframe embeds is considered a premium feature in Squarespace. This means you need a subscription to one of their premium plans to use this functionality. And that's it, you've successfully embedded an iframe into your Squarespace website. Thanks for following along, and I hope this video makes your web design process a bit easier. See you in the next guide.